Harnessing the sun. An introduction to solar energy. The sun is a giant ball of burning gas. It gives off a tremendous amount of energy. We can capture this energy with solar panels. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. This electricity can power our homes and businesses. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of power. It does not pollute the environment like fossil fuels do. Fossil fuels release harmful gases into the atmosphere. These gases contribute to climate change. Solar energy is becoming increasingly popular. More and more people are installing solar panels on their roofs. This helps to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Solar energy is good for the planet. Solar panels are made up of many individual solar cells. These cells are made from silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor. This means that it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. When sunlight hits a solar cell, it knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms. These electrons can then flow through an electrical circuit, producing electricity. The building blocks of sunshine. Materials of a solar panel. Solar panels are made from a variety of materials. The most important material is silicon. Silicon is a chemical element found in sand. It is the second most abundant element on Earth. This makes it a readily available resource for solar panel production. Another important material is phosphorus. Phosphorus is used to dope the silicon. Doping is a process that alters the electrical properties of silicon. It allows the silicon to conduct electricity more easily. Boron is also used as a doping agent in solar cells. Solar panels also contain metal components. These include aluminum frames and copper wiring. The aluminum frame provides structural support for the panel. The copper wiring helps to conduct electricity. The entire panel is encased in a protective layer of glass. The glass protects the solar cells from the elements. From sand to spark. Crafting the solar cell. Creating a solar cell is a fascinating process. It all starts with silicon. The silicon is melted down at a very high temperature. It is then purified to remove any impurities. The purified silicon is then cut into thin wafers. These wafers are then doped with phosphorus and boron. This creates a positive and negative layer within the silicon wafer. When sunlight hits the solar cell, it knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms in the negative layer. These electrons are then attracted to the positive layer, creating an electrical current. Anti-reflective coatings are applied to the solar cells. These coatings help to trap more sunlight within the cell. This increases the efficiency of the solar cell. The solar cell is now ready to be assembled into a solar panel. Powering up. Assembling the solar panel. To assemble a solar panel, the solar cells are first soldered together in series. This increases the voltage of the panel. The cells are then laid out in a grid pattern and connected to a backsheet. The backsheet is typically made of a durable polymer material. A layer of ethylene vinyl acetate, or EVA, is then applied to the front and back of the cells. EVA is a type of plastic that helps to protect the cells from moisture and impact. A sheet of tempered glass is then placed over the front of the panel. The glass protects the cells from the elements and helps to improve the panel's efficiency. Finally, an aluminum frame is attached to the edges of the panel. The frame provides structural support and allows the panel to be easily mounted. The junction box, which houses the electrical connections, is also attached to the back of the panel. The solar panel is now complete and ready to generate clean, renewable energy from the sun.